Hi all, good evening. Myself is Girish K. I welcome you all to HashLearn Studios. Before we start this session, please do subscribe for the HashLearn if you are not subscribed. So just a click for subscribe. Okay. So here is the recap that in the last class we did the problems on linear programming. Okay. So at the end of the class, I had given you 10 important questions as class practice pack. तो यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन है, आपको क्या करना था यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू सब्जेक्ट टू द गिवन कंडीशन, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू सब्जेक्ट टू द गिवन कंडीशन. सो व्हाट वाज द कंडीशन हियर? 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 10, x greater than or equal to 0 and y was also greater than or equal to 0. They are the constraints. आपको मैक्सिमम वैल्यू मीन्स ये जो ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन है ना, जो कंस्ट्रेंट x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट है ना, यू नीड टू फाइंड दोज x एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट, बाद में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है एंड चेक करना है मैक्सिमम कितना होगा. तो चलो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट हमें प्लॉट करना है द ग्राफ. सो व्हाट इज दैट? सो वी हैव यहाँ पे 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. So 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. When we put x coordinate as 0, what happens to the y coordinate? 5. So 0 comma 5 is 1 point. When you put y coordinate as 0, what happens to x coordinate? 2. So 2 comma 0 is another point. यहाँ पे 2 1 2 3 4 5, इसको हम ऐसे yeah. So यहाँ पे 0 comma 5 is the point and यहाँ पे 2 comma 0 is the point. So this is what if you draw and greater than 0 less than 0, this is the part which you need to share. यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ पे a and b, they are the coordinates. So at the origin z का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? That is 5x plus 3y. 5x plus 3y. a is 2 comma 0, b is 0 comma 5. So हमें find करना है z का value in these two cases. Your z will be 5 into 2 is 10. यहाँ पे 5 into 3 is 15. So what is your choice? हमें चाहिए maximum value. तो इसमें बड़ा है 15. So this is what your maximum value is. So there is no option where maximum is shown as 15. Therefore, there is an option with none of these, and that option is your answer. Option is D. Is it clear, guys? Hope you all followed the problem. So make sure you draw a graph. Plot the constraints. यहाँ पे constraints क्या है? 5x plus 2y should be less than or equal to 10. X greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. They are the constraints. So constraints को mind में रख के आपको maximize या minimize करना है. Depends upon the problems what they are asking you. Is it clear, guys? Okay, hope you all followed the problem. Chalo, let us go to the today's goals. We are going to start a new topic, that is probability. And you know what exactly the probability is? Probable. Probable means you will guess the things. See, when you toss a coin, what all you can guess? The probable values are you may get head or you may get tail. So probably head or tail. So you know that when you toss a coin, it won't give you a number 6, right? A dice will give you the numbers, whereas coin will give you only two cases, head or tail. See, when you throw a die with 6 faces, it will give you 6 different numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So usko hum kya bolte hain? We call it as a sample space. So sample space is nothing but all the possible cases. All the possible cases को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Sample space बोलते हैं. And if you toss two coins, तो क्या possible cases हो सकते हैं? Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. This is when you toss two coins. Head, 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 tail, tail, head. Suppose if you toss 3 coins, head, head, head. Remember this 2 power 3, which is 8 outcomes. यहाँ पे 2 power 2, 4 outcomes. Head, tail, 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 tail. Head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, and head, tail. So I say total 8 possibilities you will have when you toss 3 coins. Similarly, if you toss 4 coins, very simple, 2 power 4, which is 16. If you toss 3 coins simultaneously, so what you will get? 2 to the power 5. There will be total 32 outcomes. Usko hum sample space bolte hain. And when you toss a dice, okay, so dice will have 6 faces. You know that the faces will be numbered as 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so you will have 6 faces. This is your sample space. One dice is 6 power 1. If you throw 2 dice, that is 6 power 2, that will give you 36. You will start with 1 1 1 2 1 6. 2 1 से शुरू करके 2 6. In the same way, 6 1 you will start and you will wind up with 6 6. So total there are 36 outcomes. Okay, so आपको क्या करना है? Probability is nothing but, if they ask you what is probability of certain event, यहाँ पे नीचे sample space, that is all the possibilities should be written in the denominator, that is sample space. And जो particular event के बारे में जो probability जो पूछ रहे हैं ना, that should be written in the numerator. So all the possibilities of a particular event should be written in the numerator, and denominator में complete sample space. So outcome of the event in the numerator and all the possibilities in the denominator. Okay, fine. So with this basics, so let me start a concept called as conditional probability. You know, conditional probability is very simple. As the name says, the condition, they will ask you the probability of certain things with respect to some condition. So probability of A conditional B, we write it like this, A conditional B, or in some cases they write it as probability of A by B. That means probability of A with respect to the condition B, that is given by A intersection B divided by probability of A intersection B divided by B. Suppose if they ask you probability of B conditional A, that will be probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. Is that okay? Fine. Just remember this very important formula: conditional probability A intersection B and B intersection A. Chalo. With this basics, we shall start the problems on probability. So dear students, you will have 45 seconds to each problem. Try to solve it and give the right choice. And here is the first problem for the day. आपको फाइंड करना है B conditional A. What is the probability of B with respect to the condition A? Yes, hurry up. 10 more seconds. Time up. चलो, let us see how to do this one. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? Probability of B conditional A is probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. तो यहां पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. Probability of A intersection B is nothing but B intersection A, which is given as 3 by 10. And probability of A is given as 2 divided by 5. तो ये हो गया 3 by 10 into 5 by 2. That will give you 5 ones are. 5 into 2 is 10. That should give you 3 divided by 2 into 2 is 4, which is reflecting in the option C, and that should be your answer. So it is a direct formula. Substitution. Substitute all the values. Direct values they have given you. Use the appropriate formula and simplify. You will be able to get the answer. Okay. Chalo, let's go to the next one. And next problem is here. So be careful. They are giving you the probabilities of two events in the decimals. See, whenever they give you decimal, you can always convert them as fractions so that your simplification becomes easier. तो इसको ले लो 3 by 10, इसको 6 divided by 10, तो इसको 5 divided by 10. So fraction, convert the decimals to fraction and simplify. Okay guys, hurry up, 10 more seconds. Yes, your time is up, and let's see how to do this problem. तो इसको हम ले लेंगे 3 by 10, इसको हम ले लेंगे 6 by 10, इसको हम ले लेंगे 5 by 10. ओके, तो हमें फाइंड करना है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए कंडीशनल बी. सो हमें फाइंड करना है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए कंडीशनल बी. तो फॉर्मूला है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी बाय प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी. Before that, what probability of B conditional A is given? B conditional A दिए है 5 by 10. Probability of B intersection A, we don't know. Probability of A 3 by 10. तो चलो फाइंड करो B intersection A. So with this you can write probability of B intersection A हो गया, that is 5 into 3 is 15 by 100. 15 by 100. चलो बाद में यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. B intersection A is nothing but A intersection B, that is 15 by 100. यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करो and probability of B is given as 6 by 10. इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई किए तो क्या हो जाएगा? दैट शुड गिव यू 3. यहां पे एक 0 कैंसल. 3 2s are 3 5s are. So that will give you 5 by 2 into 10. कैंसल करने के बाद हो गया 1 by 4, which is here in the option C. Is it clear guys? Hope you followed the problem. Just you need to make use of the appropriate formula and find the unknown parts and substitute and simplify. तो पहले B intersection A दिए थे, हमें फाइंड करना है. B कंडीशनल A दिए थे, B intersection A फाइंड करना है. फाइंड करने के बाद रीसब्स्टिट्यूट टू फाइंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A कंडीशनल B. Okay, chalo, let us go to the next one. numerical 3, and here is the problem. Very important question, and hope you all know the concept of mutually exclusive events, which you all learnt in the first year. Mutually exclusive means what? Your time is up. Chalo, let us see how to do this problem. Probability of A conditional B dash. Okay. So, mutually exclusive means probability of A intersection B will be 0. Mutually exclusive means occurrence of A does not depends on occurrence of B. There is no common terms. There is no common terms in the events A and B. Therefore, that will be equal to 0. Make a note of that. Probability of A intersection B for mutually exclusive events will be 0. तो पहले इसको नोट करने के बाद let us find what they are asking you. A condition B bar. तो इसको हम लेना है probability of A intersection B bar divided by probability of B bar. You know that probability of B bar can be written as 1 minus probability of B. Probability of B bar को क्या कर सकते हैं हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 1 minus probability of B. Okay, just B bar is the opposite of B, which can be obtained by subtracting from 1 minus. Then how will you find the remaining part? So 1 minus probability of B, you have two options, B and D may, and those two should be your answers, one among those two. So A intersection B bar is nothing but probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B bar means probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. तो इसको हम 0 कर देंगे क्योंकि A and B are mutually exclusive. तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर आएगा probability of A by 1 minus probability of B, and which is your option D. ठीक है guys? Fine? Okay. Chalo, hope you all followed the problem. Get ready for the next numerical number 4, and here is the problem. So very important question. There are many parameters which they are giving you here. Use them and find the correct answer. There are two events, E1 and E2. आपको find करना है probability of E1 conditional probability of E2 bar. चलो, your time is up and let us see. तो probability of E1 bar, that is conditional E2 bar, is nothing but probability of E1 intersection probability of E2 bar divided by probability of E2 bar. So before finding that, so let us find intersection of E1 and E2. तो पहले क्या लेंगे हम probability of E2 conditional E1, probability of E2 intersection E1 divided by probability of E1. इसको यूज करके हम intersection निकालेंगे. तो इसको हम 1/2 लेंगे, that is what they have given. So probability of E2 intersection E1 क्या हो जाएगा ये हो जाएगा probability of E2 इंटरसेक्शन E1 हो जाएगा 1/2 into 1/4 1/8। तो ये जो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किए तो हो जाएगा इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ E1 एंड E2 1/8। दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू मेक ए नोट। हमें मिल गया प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E2 इंटरसेक्शन E1 1/8 हमें मिल गया। ठीक है, तो इससे ऑब्जर्व दिस, व्हाट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1 conditional probability of E2, that is probability of E1 intersection E2 divided by probability of E2। तो हमें फाइंड करना है probability of E2। तो E1 intersection E2 कितना हो गया? E1 intersection E2 1/8। probability of E2 फाइंड करना है, E1 conditional E2 है 1/4। so what will be your probability of E2 event 2? that will give you 1/8 by 1/4 will give you 1/2। इसको भी नोट कर लो। ठीक है, इसको नोट करने के बाद हमें निकालना है व्हाट इज दैट दे आर आस्किंग यू, E1 कंडीशन E2 बार। इसको कैसे लिखना है? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1 इंटरसेक्शन E2 बार डिवाइडेड बाय प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E2 बार। ठीक है, ओके, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1 इंटरसेक्शन E2 डिवाइडेड बाय, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E2। चलो, ये है आपका वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला। E1 कंडीशनल E2 बार इज E1 इंटरसेक्शन E2 बार बाय probability of E2 bar। E2 bar can be written as 1 minus probability of E2। इसको जो ऊपर है probability of E1 minus probability of E1 intersection E2। तो चलो जो कुछ भी है यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करो। probability of E1 है 1/4, E1 intersection E2 है 1/8, 1 minus E2 है 1/2। तो इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई किए तो ये हो जाएगा 2 to 8, 2 minus 1 is 1/8 by 1/2, that will give you 1/4। तो कहां पे 1/4 है? ऑप्शन बी में 1/4 है, एंड दैट शुड बी योर आंसर। ओके गाइज, होप यू फॉलो द स्टेप्स। यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ फॉर्मूलाज आ रहे हैं। यू शुड मेक यूज ऑफ ऑल द गिवन डाटा and find the unknown data and get the final result। so this star is the important formula। ये जो second step है ना वो भी important है, how to convert E1 intersection E2 bar to non-bar terms। okay, fine, then let us go to the next one। next question is the previous class contest question। so if no winner in the last class contest question, so if the LPP admits optimal solution at 2 consecutive vertices of the feasible region, then the required optimal solution is a midpoint of the line joining 2 points। IPP under consideration is not solvable, the optimal solution occurs at every point on the line joining 2 points, and the LPP under consideration must be reconstructed। so what will be your option here? so if an LPP admits optimal solution at 2 consecutive vertices of a feasible region, then the required is at the midpoint of the line joining 2 points, is under consideration is not soluble, optimal solution at every point on the line joining these 2 points। so under your answer is your option Y। okay, at every point on the line joining these 2 points। Okay guys, so next question will be your today's contest question. You will have 60 seconds. Try to give the right choice, and here is the problem. 25 seconds more. Your time is up. Chalo, let us go to the next question for the day. Numerical 5, and here is the problem. In a bag there are 6 red and 4 black balls. 2 balls without replacements are drawn. So you are drawing and you are not replacing them again. If the first ball drawn is known to be red, then the probability for the second drawn ball is also red. Yeah, your time is up, and let us see, students. You know that all the problems on probability, you can solve them very quickly if you understand the basic case what they are talking of. Okay, so if you read the question, if you understand, you can solve it very quickly. You read it once. If you are not understanding, read it for the second time. Still you are not understanding, read it again and again and again till you understand the basic principle or the basic event or the question they are talking of. Okay, चलो यहाँ पे they are giving you one bag, उसमें 6 red balls है और 4 black balls है. Okay, 6 red and 4 black. तो टोटल कितना बॉल्स है? 10 balls हो गया. Okay, you are picking 2 balls, so you are doing a pick as 2 cases. यहाँ पे 2 blanks डाल दो. 2 balls without replacements are drawn if the first ball drawn is known to be red. Okay, तो पहला ball है red. So what is the possibility of red? Out of 10 balls there are 6 red, so 6 out of 10 will be the first pick of red color. So there are 10 balls, in the 10 balls 6 are red, so you are picking one ball that is to be red, so 6 out of 10. बाद में यहाँ पे make a note of this, without replacement. So without replacement means whatever the one ball you have picked, you are not replacing it again. Means what is the sample space now? एक बॉल को पिक कर दिए है तो बचा है 9 बॉल. Already you have picked one, therefore out of 10 you will be left with only 9 balls. Of that 9 balls, how many are red? तो total 6 था red, पहला पिक में red आ गया, so बचा है 5 red, तो total balls are 9, बचा है 5, so your answer is 6 by 10 into 5 by 9. चलो simplify करो, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. इसको कैंसिल करने के बाद हो गया 1 by 3. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है option C, and that is your answer. Is it guys clear? Hope you all followed the problem. Very important question. You are making 2 picks without replacement. First pick is red, 6 out of 10. Second pick is also red without replacement. So इसलिए 9 balls will be left and 5 will be red among them. Second ball is also red. In second case 5 out of 9. simplify and you'll be able to get that. Chalo, let us go to the next one. So next question is here. Two dice are thrown at a time. Two dice are thrown at a time. You will have 36 outcomes. The sum of the numbers is 6. The probability getting the number 4 on any of the dice they are talking of. Very important question. चलो, your time is up and let's see how to solve this one. तो पहला निकालना है हमें sum of numbers is 6. Chalo, you write all the possible cases. You will have 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 up to 6 6. So we will write only the number is 6. Sum of the numbers in 6. 1 1 no. 1 5 yes. You need to pick 1 5 because that will give you 1 plus 5 as 6. Sum 6 होगा वहाँ पे. Then come with 2 series. 2 4. Then come with 3 series. 3 series में कहाँ पे होगा? 3 plus 3 is 6. Come with 4 series. 4 2 is 6. Come with 5 series. 5 1 is 6. Then come with 6 series. No. 6 1 6 2. The sum will not give you sum as 6. So you will have 4 2 2 4 1 5 5 1 and 3 3. The probability of getting 4 on any of the dice. So you have total 1 2 3 4 5. 5 cases are there. तो नीचे available cases है possibilities 5. उसमें 4 on any number. You can observe 4 on any number here and 4 on any number. So you have 2 cases. So answer is 2 by 5, which is reflecting in option A, and that should be your answer. Okay. So 2 out of 5 cases you will find getting any number 4 on the dice and their sum will be 6. So answer is 2 out of 5, which is reflecting in option A, and that is your answer. Hope you all followed the problem. Chalo, get ready to the next question, and your 7th one is here. Very important concept. Your time is up. Chalo, let us see how to do this numerical. Yeah. So let me use the space available here. So probability of E is given as 1 by 5. And probability of F conditional E is given as 1 by 10. They are giving you it as 1 by 10. Yes, probability of occurrence of F given E, F conditional E is given as 1 by 10. So आपको find करना है non-occurrence of at least one events. At least one events, non-occurrence of at least one event. How will you find that? So before that, we will make use of this and we shall find probability of E conditional, F conditional E, probability of F intersection E by probability of E. Probability of F conditional E is probability of F intersection E by probability of E. इसको यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करके probability of F intersection E को फाइंड कर देंगे, तो ये हो गया probability of F intersection E हो गया 1/10, 1/10, 1/5 हो गया 1/50. So that will give you 1 divided by 50, which is an intersection of these two. Okay, yeah, 1/50 is probability of F intersection E. So probability of non-occurrence of at least one. See, you know that at least one is nothing but 1 minus probability of E intersection F. At least one is nothing but 1 minus E intersection F. तो इसको हम कर देंगे 1 minus 1/50. This will give you 50 minus 1/50, which is 49/50, and here is the answer. So 49/50, option C is the answer. Hope you all followed the problem. So remember, at least one means 1 minus probability of E intersection F. You'll be able to get that at least one part. Okay guys, so hope you all followed the problem, and here is the summary. We did the basic introduction and also some problems on probabilities. In the coming classes also we are going to cover many more concepts and problems on the same chapter, concept probability. So thanks for joining us, students. So now it is the time for class practice pack. I have given you 10 important questions from the concepts what I have taught. You know that your class practice pack is unlocked and is available to solve immediately for all passport holders. Non-passport holders, you will not have access to CBPs. They are locked. To unlock, you need to subscribe for the passport. If you subscribe, you will get access to CBPs, and also you will get to access to 24/7 1-to-1 dot solving session, and also you will get access to practice questions and tests from best-selling books, and also you will get access to all the video classes covering the toughest concepts and problems. So please do subscribe for the HashLearn. Thanks for joining us again. Good night.